attended the social forum in 2008, Malmo. And at that time I was quite new in the process. During the social forum, I participated several programs conducted by several friends from different parts of the world. And mainly our focus, especially I represented at that time SEDET India and the VT. And we have also separate programs there. Then one of the programs was there in right to information. Then one of the Indian friends of our, Aruna Roy, was there with the big team. And then other programs also were there regarding to the ecology and green and people's rights of the indigenous peoples and several other types, gender-based discrimination. Several programs I attended there. Then in between I had an opportunity to attend the big program there. Mainly they talked about the colonialism, neo-colonialism, liberalization and such kind of big ideological issues. But our concern was at that time also leaving the ideological debate in one part. Then we confine our mind on contextualizing the issues and debate in social forum to our particular place in India and Nepal. Then second time I had an opportunity to participate World Social Forum in Senegal, and I attended IC meeting also there, and there were several debates like today we have here, and they had also talked about how we can go ahead, or what kind of debate we should create, or what kind of strategy we should make to change the dominant structure of the state in the world. Then they have also several views like we have presented here, but there was no main conclusion, because as we discussed here, the space is open and everybody can participate and talk, but there is no structure. So there is no responsible structure as I feel. So we can talk and we can discuss, debate, we can find out the issues and we can talk about the solutions also. But there is no implementation part of participating in such kind of forum. So the responsible, as I feel, from very beginning to till now, that we are discussing as a representative of the local people here. Representative in the sense we are not elected, mean we represent a particular community or a particular issue, but we have no participant from the structure which we are thinking to change, or we are thinking we are expecting to change. So this is for me is kind of confusing issue for myself also. Then after participating this kind of social forum, one thing I to take in my mind, that we can listen to the debate here, we can participate also in the debate, and we can argue in the forum, but we should go to our field, and we should contextualize the debate here to our particular field. So we started anyhow talking to the people at local level. Now we have institution in Nepal. This is SEDET Nepal, and we have learned several things from SEDET India. And SEDET India is a major participants of the social forum. So obviously, we learn something from here and then try to implement there at local level. So what we are going to do now, we have formed some social forums in local level also in different districts. We have several committees, and there in Nepal we have a tradition to talk or sit in a place to discuss while the political leader comes at local level. So only the political debates are used to be there in local level in participation of their cadre only. Then another and the people from other parties couldn't participate such kind of debate. So we initiated kind of forum to participate all political parties gathered there from including the local representative type secretary type. Then we started talking about the local issues, not political. We don't allow them to talk about political issues, ideological issues, but initiate discussion on their own problem. Then what can they solve, and what are their problem, and what can the gap, what are the gap, and what can be the solution. That kind of
there are
we started
development problem.
Yeah, not only development, even social developmental what kind of development is there, what they think about the developmental precision process, or what is going to be there, what is their thinking about, then what kind of development they want, and what may be the options and alternatives, and what can then contribute. Then they contribute. Such kind of debate we initiated in local level. Then now in our forum, this also the social forum. We gave the name to the forum as a social forum, so that all the parties or all the people from all the parties can come and sit there and debate, and then find out the solutions. That kind of trend we are starting there in Nepal. We are selected 4 districts, different districts, and we alternatively visit there, and we take some senior academicians and we just gather people, initiate discussions, but discussion will be done by themselves. They will talk about their problem, they will talk about their perception on developmental policies and projects, and they will talk about the solutions also, and they share themselves their experiences. Earlier, what was happening, if there are opportunities, political parties could select their cadres from the local level. Then they gain knowledge, but they have no tradition to distribute. So while we form the local committee there, then obviously the people who get training in different fields try to share their experience and knowledge within the community members, so that they are also benefiting now. And so I hope that they will work. Yeah, people are started appreciating our works, because the society was politically divided earlier. Now somehow they are starting to come together and to sit together and discuss to debate on their own issues. So this is my experience. In between, we had South Asian social forums also in Bangladesh, and we participated there. We, along with a dozen people, participated there, and they have also kind of responsibility now. They are also feeling that we have also the responsibility to share the experience what we give in Bangladesh. So now we have also expectation to share our knowledge and to implement a kind of knowledge gain here and so many others forum to at the local level at least.